Hello everyone, I'm Oliver, and a warm welcome to day 27 of the 50 Days Software Architecture class. In day 26, we explored API gateway patterns for managing microservices, traffic, and security. Today we're diving into service discovery and registry tools like Consul or Eureka in distributed systems. Let's get started.
Let's outline day 27 in greater depth to provide a thorough foundation. Service discovery enables services in distributed systems to dynamically locate and communicate with each other without hard-coded addresses, adapting to changes like scaling or failures. We'll cover registry tools like Consul for advanced features, including multi-data center support and health checking, and Eureka as part of the Netflix OSS stack for resilient discovery. Key patterns include client-side discovery, where clients query registries directly, and server-side, where load balancers handle it. This integrates with day 26's API gateways for centralized routing and day 20's Kubernetes for native discovery in orchestrated environments.
A critical enabler. These tools and patterns will show how to build self-aware distributed systems that adapt in real time to changing topologies.
Here's a quick but expanded overview of what we'll cover today to give you a complete picture. Service discovery is the process of automatically detecting and locating services in dynamic distributed environments where instances come and go. The registry acts as a centralized or distributed database holding service locations, health, and metadata. We'll spotlight tools like HashiCorp Consul for feature-rich discovery with built-in KV store and Netflix Eureka for high availability in Java ecosystems. This connects to day 7's microservices by solving addressability in decentralized setups, and day 17's reliability through health-based failovers. Why is service discovery essential in modern architectures? It handles highly dynamic environments where services scale up, down, fail unexpectedly, or migrate across nodes, making static configurations obsolete. It eliminates hard coding of IPs or hosts, reducing errors in maintenance. It enables intelligent load balancing by directing traffic only to healthy instances. For day 17's resilience, it supports automatic failover by deregistering failed services in real time. Let's wrap up day 27. We covered the critical role of service discovery in keeping microservices architectures agile, resilient, and manageable. From understanding the core registration and health check processes to exploring tools like Consul and Eureka, you now have the foundation to design more dynamic systems. Tomorrow for day 28, we'll shift gears into API documentation with Swagger and OpenAPI to ensure your services are not only discoverable, but easy for other developers to use. Don't forget to check the homework assignment in the previous video. See you tomorrow. Discovery patterns. Client-side has clients directly query the registry and load balance. Server-side lets the registry or a central proxy manage discovery. DNS-based uses simple name resolution with SRV records for ports. Sidecar pattern deploys a proxy like Envoy per instance for local discovery and traffic control.
Self-registration. Services register themselves upon startup and send heartbeats to the registry. The registry removes instances that miss heartbeats. This approach is simple, but requires service code to be aware of the registry. Consul as a registry tool. HashiCorp's Consul provides service discovery, key value storage, and service mesh capabilities. It uses an agent-based architecture, where local agents on nodes sync with central servers. Built-in health checks monitor service status actively. DNS interface allows simple name-based queries without custom clients. Eureka as a registry tool. Netflix's open-source Eureka is designed for AWS, but works generally, with clients registering and sending heartbeats to servers. It's zone-aware for multi-region deployments with replication. Integrates seamlessly with Spring Cloud for Java microservices ecosystems. Service discovery tools comparison. Consul is feature-rich with built-in mesh and multi-data center support. Eureka is simple and resilient, optimized for cloudy environments. etcd is a distributed KV store often used for discovery in Kubernetes. Zookeeper provides coordination for discovery in big data stacks. Service discovery challenges. Registry queries can add latency to requests, cache locally. Handle failures to avoid stale entries from dead services. Scale the registry itself for high load. Secure with day 13 authenticated registration to prevent spoofing.
Client-side discovery, the client directly queries the registry for service locations and performs load balancing itself. This gives fine-grained control over selection algorithms. Libraries like Netflix Ribbon handle caching and balancing. Advantages include no central bottleneck and customizable logic. Server-side discovery, the registry or a load balancer handles queries and balancing, with clients seeing a single virtual endpoint. Examples include AWS ELB or NGINX as proxies. Advantages are simpler client code and centralized control for features like sticky sessions. Discovery in Cloud Native Day 20 Kubernetes has built-in discovery via service objects, providing DNS names and load balancing. Integrate Consul or Eureka as sidecars for advanced features. Auto-registration handles Day 16 scaling by adding removing instances dynamically. Discovery best practices. Implement robust health checks with TTL or heartbeats to detect failures quickly. Use local caching in clients to reduce registry load. Add failover with exponential backoff retries. Secure with Day 14 mutual TLS for registry communications. Advanced discovery challenges handle eventual consistency in distributed registries with propagation delays. For multi-DC, use federated discovery. In hybrid clouds, maintain a unified registry view. Add observability with Day 18 metrics on discovery latency and failure rates.
Consul advanced features. Built-in service mesh with intentions for secure connections. KV store for dynamic config. ACLs for fine-grained security. Federation for multi-cluster, multi-data center discovery. Eureka advanced features. Self-preservation mode protects during network partitions. Client-side caching reduces server queries. Integrates with Ribbon for client-side balancing. AWS-specific zone awareness for regional resilience. Common discovery pitfalls. Stale data from inadequate health checks leading to failed calls. Overloading the registry without client caching. Insecure registration allowing spoofing attacks. Ignoring failures without proper failover and retry logic.
Recapping Day 27, we explored service discovery for dynamic location in distributed systems.
Detailed registry tools like Consul and Eureka. Patterns like client-side and pitfalls. The key takeaway. Service discovery enables resilient, adaptive communication in microservices. Day 27 of the 50 Days Software Architecture class on YouTube. Moderated by Anastasia and Irene, today's focus is on service discovery and registry tools like Consul or Eureka in distributed systems, providing an extensive examination of how these mechanisms enable services to dynamically find and communicate with each other in microservices environments, ensuring resilience, load balancing, and seamless scaling, while addressing challenges like network volatility and service lifecycle management. The session is designed to run 15 to 20 minutes, approximately 60 words per minute, total word count 1850 with natural delivery, and expanded explanations for in-depth analysis of discovery patterns, health checking, and tool configurations. Integration with prior API gateways and event-driven concepts, and practical deployment in cloud-native setups for robust, self-healing architectures. We've organized it into 20 slides, each with 4 bullet points and extended conversational scripts from both moderators to provide more comprehensive insights and balanced dialogue. To ensure more equal time distribution, Anastasia and Irene alternate leading sections more evenly. Anastasia handles slides 1 to 5 and 11 to 15, intro, basics, and some patterns. I will lead slides 6 to 10 and 16 to 18 on tool specifics and advanced applications, and slides 19 to 20 are shared for recap and closing. This builds on Day 26's API gateway patterns, incorporating Day 25's event sourcing for dynamic registries, and aligns with Day 2's solid for designing discoverable, loosely coupled services. Pauses, transitions, and visuals, including service discovery flow diagrams, will enhance the flow and aid in understanding dynamic registration. Day 28 covers event-driven architecture, EDA, and asynchronous communication patterns.
For homework, design a service discovery setup for a hypothetical microservices app using Consul or Eureka. Questions? Comment? We'll reply. Thanks, like, share, and subscribe.
That's day 27 on service discovery and registry tools. We covered how these enable dynamic communication in distributed systems. Subscribe for more daily lessons and support us on Buy Me a Coffee to keep the content coming. Thanks for watching.